His mercy is more in the key of E, so I'm going to use some E inversions. What love could remember, no wrongs we have done, omniscient. So there's my first inversion. So it says B, but I'm playing a B open chord, very easy to play. And because I've got C sharp minor next, I'm simply sliding up that shape, another 2 frets, to my C sharp minor, but it's an open chord inversion. There's the typical C sharp minor, which is a bar chord, but using open shape means I can slide between chords, and from the C sharp minor, I can slide back to an A2. So I'm replacing my A with an A2, which is an open chord voicing, and you're replacing it. That's how these things work. It says A, but I'm thinking, okay, do I want an A standard chord, the A major, or maybe I want to add an inversion, an A2 chord there, which sounds beautiful. So just that second line on the chord sheet, which you can download, just in the description below, there's a link, click it, download my color chord sheet. But just look at that second line. It says B to C sharp minor to A to B sus. Now see how easy that's going to go. So I'm going to play my B open shape, slide to C sharp minor, slide to A, slide to B sus. You see finger 3 and 4, you're just going forward, backward, there and there. It's just like it's sliding on tracks, just sliding up and down. So if you learn these things, your guitar playing is going to improve vastly, and you're going to sound so much better, because it's these voicings that make the guitar sounds good, rather than sticking to the standard chords all the time. Sometimes you want to use them, but sometimes you don't. And here in the key of E, I find that open chord voicings work really good. Now the next line, the third line's got an E to an F sharp minor, to an E over G sharp to an A. But I'm going to use open chord voicing. So E, F sharp minor, then it's got the E over G sharp, so there it is. Or you can just play E. Some chords, the E slash G sharp means the E chord with a G sharp bass. You don't have to play in the bass. Now, as long as you've got the chord right, you're fine. I've just at a point now where I can easily play them in, and I like to do that. So E, F sharp minor, E over G sharp, back to my A. Since there are many, His mercy is more. So it goes E, E sus, or if you want to do a more advanced one, got to practice it. I've got a different video where I talk about these E chord open voicings that explains it a lot more if you want to dig into it some more. But that's the idea of the song. Use these open voicings, and I hope it helps you to play better guitar. God bless.